Right, so here's one of the wee examples we're doing today. So this is calculating the size of a file, okay, and it's a video file. Now, remember National 5, you knew how to calculate the size of an image because what we did is we looked at how many pixels the image had and then we times it by the number of bits per pixel, which is the colour depth. So we have both bits of information here. Now, when it says true colour, that just means it's 24 bits per pixel. Okay, so if we now think of the size of one image, now remember when we talk about video footage, these images are known as frames. Okay, so we can say size of frame, and what we do is we essentially do the number of pixels times colour depth. Now, the number of pixels is worked out for you, so quite often they might give you the dimensions in pixels and you just multiply them together to get you the actual number of pixels, but they've already done this. So that's 26214 400, and then we're going to times that by 24. Okay, so obviously you then dig out the calculator and we say 26214, and that's 400, and then we go times that by 24. And that gives us 629. So that's 629 14560. So 14560. I think it's 2 zeros there, so that's 2 zeros. Right, and that's how many bits that the one picture has. So remember, it's uncompressed, so it's going to be a large size. Now, what we're after is we're wanting to actually work out the size of the video clip. So we know that there are 24 frames per second, and we also know it's 1 minute. So what you want to make sure is we convert that duration, so that's obviously your duration, and you want to make sure it's in seconds, and this is your frame rate. So what we then do is we just essentially say size of clip, that equals size of frame and then we times that by frame rate and then times that by duration. So that's 629.145.600. Then what we do, the frame rate is, just double check there, yep, 24, and it's 60 seconds. 24 times 60, so obviously the size of the movie is going to be bigger than just the size of the one frame. So do that, we times that by 24, we then times that by 60. That gives you a massive size, okay? So what we've got is 9059, okay? So that's 9059 6966 6966 and 3 zeros. And that's the number of bits. Now remember, to get from bits to bytes, we need to then divide that by 8. And what you've then got, if we divide that by 8, obviously the number is going to go down as the units get bigger. Okay, so that's 1, let's put this there, so that's 11324, so that's 11324 620 6208 00. Now we then, so that's in bytes, and then the rest of it you're just dividing by 1024. So divide that by 1024, and that gives you in kilobytes, divide by 1024. That gives you in megabytes, and then divide by 1024. And that gives you in kilobytes. So the size is 0.051 gigabytes. And that's your answer. So remember to go from there, divide by 1024, and that'll give you in kilobytes. Divide by 1024, that'll give you in megabytes, and then divide by 1024, gives you in gigabytes. And try and always put down the units that you're working, okay? So hopefully that helps you with the first one.